Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about cloud gaming and will also be discussing that is it the future of gaming. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. You all might have heard about cloud gaming, but what is cloud gaming or how does it work? You will get answers to all these questions in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Now let's begin with our first point. What is cloud gaming? To know how cloud gaming works, firstly you need to know about cloud gaming. Cloud gaming is a method of playing video games using remote servers in data centers. There is no need to download and install games on a PC or console. Instead, streaming services require a stable internet connection to send gaming information to an app or browser installed on your device. The game is rendered and played on the remote server, but you see and interact with everything locally on your device. Now this might seem complex for you to understand. Basically, in simple words, it's just like Netflix or any other streaming platform. The only difference is that the server where the video stream is coming from can also pick up and react to your inputs. That means you don't need a high-end RTX 30 series GPU or a new Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5. With cloud gaming, all you need is a reliable internet connection. Now you will think that can you play high-end PC games on a low-end PC? Yes, you can. You just need a subscription to that gaming service and a stable internet connection. Now the most exciting thing about cloud gaming is that you can also play high-end PC games on your mobile phone and Chromebook. You just need the app of that cloud gaming service installed on your mobile phone or Chromebook and again a stable internet connection. Okay, so now let's know how cloud gaming works. Cloud gaming in most cases requires a subscription paid on a monthly or yearly basis in order to access the content. With certain services, games must be purchased on top of that fee. Cloud gaming services operate by hosting and running games on powerful servers via a virtual machine. A video stream of that gameplay is then compressed and fed to the user through the World Wide Web. The user's control inputs are sent back to the server, which processes them and sends them back in real time. In simple words, cloud gaming operates very similarly to Netflix or any other streaming services like Twitch or YouTube. The big challenge, however, is found in the latency aspect of cloud gaming. Since you are using a controller to send inputs all the way to a server over the internet, which then sends those results of those inputs all the way back, there will be some input lag while gaming via the cloud, which means your gaming experience may not be that much stable. A slight delay on a video stream from Twitch will most likely go unnoticed, but while playing a video game, your inputs need to feel like they are happening in real time. Up until recently, even the best cloud gaming services averaged over 30 millions of controller input lag, which is enough to be distracting. Before I come to the conclusion, let's talk about some cloud gaming services available right now. There are many cloud gaming services available right now, but some of them include GeForce Now by Nvidia, Stadia by Google, Luna by Amazon, PlayStation Now by Sony, and Xbox Cloud Gaming by Microsoft. Do you also do gaming? If yes, then which games do you play? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about the last point, which is that is cloud gaming the future of gaming? Yes, you can say that cloud gaming is the future, but it not be an immediate or total shift. Hardcore gamers still enjoy the gaming console experience as they value latency and the overall gaming experience. However, for casual gamers, cloud gaming is an ideal option because of all the benefits. Cross-platform syncing is the key feature that makes cloud gaming an attractive prospect for users wanting to switch from traditional gaming. Before I end with the video, I wanted to tell you all that I have made a Discord server where I keep talking about the latest tech around the world and other amazing stuff. So if you are interested, you can join my server. It's free. Link is in the description. So yes, this was all for this video and I hope you found this video interesting, and if you want more interesting videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.